and defend the constitution and the law.
Chandrasekhar H. Vijayashankar hakalai potrik naitu. Ula syak pentian smai ku bulat bathymmai ke Meghalaya. Ha u Chief Justice ke Meghalaya High Court u Justice S. Vaidyanathan ha ka jingalang ke belalong Haraj Bhavan Shillong. Ha gani ke jingalang layadon lang ru Menteri Rangba Kejela u Konrad ke Sangma. Ki sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela u bak Presiden Tensong bat u bak Sniaw Bhalang Dhar. Ki Menteri Sorkar, ki MLA, ki he Officer Sorkar, ki he Sipai bat ki wei. U Chandrasekhar ulawan Shim ti kum ulat bathymmai ha Kejela, ha Kejaka jong ulat barim upagu Chauhan. Ha bakren syakilat pathai kubor hadin bala Shim ti ya kakam, u Vijayashankar ulaong, kalong da shisha ka kabu ka bakraw ban yok ban Syakri ya ke Meghalaya kum ulat. Ngala Syakri kum MLA, MP bat Menteri Sorkar, Henry kini kakam kum ulat kalong da shisha ka jingbak li ka bakraw. Ula perturu i gidong shnong ka Meghalaya halor ka jing Shim ya ka jing kuit kum ka thong ka ba khmat bat pynpaw ru ba ka de ka jela ka ba suk bat ka bomdon setia ka nu ka jing hura. Ula ong ru ba umdon setia ya kinu gimat ki baya de shimen Henry bantre na ka banta ka roy ka par jong ka de ka jela. Nalor ka tau ni ulat bathymmai ula pynpaw ru ba ukwa ba kinong shnong ka jela kin kenmau ya kum uwei na kilat uba shida bat uba angnut na ka banta ban kintiu ya ka roy ka par jong ka jela. Haba pynpaw ya kejing dokumen baka Sorkar NDA kalayalam ya ka Sorkar ha Meghalaya u Vijayashankar ulaong kawei ka banga kwa ban ong hapi kalong banga sarong ban ong hangni ba habanga rung ha parlimen ku budkhon ulet purno e sangma ulalong ulamphang ha katakapor bat mentau kun jong u Konrad ke sangma udai Menteri Rangba Kejela. Halor ka jingkeli la unya kren bat ka Sorkar pedeng na ka bentaban pentre ka mardor ya ka inline permit ILP kabadai ke jing dawa ka balaslam ban lak bante lakam ya ke jing wan rung kerthep ki briu ki banabar ulat ulaong na ka benta ka jing tip jongpi nga pentip syapi bangaru nga dei na kum kita kinong shnong ki bapi pynpaw menta nga tip ya ki mat jong ki try shnong hangni last lemba ngalawan sa Meghalaya ha kapor bangadang don hapo ka Parliamentary Standing Committee katnat railway kumudkhot jong ka parliament hadu arsin ngalawan jungok sa Meghalaya bunsin ngalawan siya kani kejaka Henry kumuhe Sorkar ngampat jukren syakilat pathai kubor kani kedegesin ke beningkong bangalayo ban kren ha kani kejaka ngatip ya kimat ki bai dei berkathan bat ya barok kini kimat ngan penek jimut ha bat ngin ya persyang ban penyo ya kahok na kebenta jongki.
I'm really very glad to be here as a governor of Meghalaya. It is really an opportunity for me to serve the Meghalaya as a governor of the state. In that way, really I am grateful to the President of the nation, Draupadi Murmu. Even I am really grateful to the Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji. They have been appointed me as a governor of Meghalaya. Public life for the first 40 years I am in the public life. I have been served as a MLA from Husur, Mysore district, Karnataka during 94 to 98 I was in the assembly as the assembly member, and 98 and 2004 twice I was a member of parliament from Mysore. When Atalji became Prime Minister of this country, by that time I was in the parliament as a parliament member. Again 2004, second time I won the election, parliament election. I was in the parliament as a parliament member. I have been served as a parliament member twice for the 10 years. And again 2009 I had come back to state politics, Karnataka state politics, and I was MLC and I was first minister in Yadurappa's cabinet. I have been served as a minister also. So accordingly, I have been served as MLA, MP and MLC as a minister. But this position, as a governor, it is really biggest responsibility on the shoulders. That too, the state like Meghalaya. I am also probably coming from the similar area. Almost my area is also covered by forest. Here also almost the area of Meghalaya covered by forest. I've been heard that it is a very clean city. Maximum importance Meghalaya people given to maintain that cleanliness. Maximum importance Meghalaya people always used to give. City should be clean. State should be always clean. I've been heard that it's a clean city. Cleanliness is the top priority here. So accordingly, I've been inspired, and I've heard that it is a very peaceful state, no law and order problem, and people are very cordial here. So they used to respect everybody, love everybody. So accordingly, it is not unlike any other state. I'm supposed to work here as a governor. I take everybody into confidence here, not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence, and only development. I know any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. I know any personal agenda. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve the state as a governor. That's all my responsibility. As a governor, whatever I am supposed to look after, whatever supposed to care I have to take, only I stick on to that. Rest of the aspect, other issue, it is not at all related to me. As a governor, I serve here. When I complete my tenure here as a governor of the state, when I go back, not only the government, not only the bureaucracy, entire Meghalaya people should say, one of the very good governor we had for the first so many years. Every people should say, one of the honest, one of the very development oriented governor he had come to our state. This you people, in the sense Meghalaya people, always should remember. In that way, I'm ready to give my time, day and night I'm ready to work. And I take the local government also into confidence. And fortunately, India government is here. And another one more thing I tell you, I'm so proud to say here, when I entered into parliament as a parliament member, Mr. Sangma was the speaker by that time. Right now, his son, Mr. Sangma, is the chief minister here. When I entered into parliament first time, his father was the speaker. When I had come here as a governor, his son is the chief minister here. So accordingly, I know this family very well. I know the background of the family. And moreover, India government is running here. I take everybody into confidence. Ultimately, we have to run the government smoothly. And always we have to give maximum priority and preference to the development of the state. Accordingly, I work here as a governor. You see, I'm proud to say, even Abdul Kalam, he was not knowing he is going to be the president of the nation. As a professor, he was teaching to the student. Atal Bihari Vajpayee being the prime minister of the country, he telephoned to Mr. Kalam. Kalam was shocked. In what way I related to the prime minister office? Ultimately, I picked the call after 1 hour of time. Then Atalji said, you see, Kalamji, we decided you should be the president of this nation. I am not constitutional expert. No need. Only it needs concern. Only it needs commitment. No need to be law expert. As a professor, you come here. You are an honest person and you dedicate your time to the nation. You can serve the nation better than anybody. We decided you should be the president of the nation. You come to Delhi and you be the president. This is what Atalji said by that time. When Kalamji came to Delhi as a president of the nation, you see, now you remember him as a president of the nation, one of the honest, very dedicated, and most humble president of the country. In that way, one side, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, I remember, I keep that personality in the mind. And second thing, the President, Prime Minister of the nation, Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi ji, I keep that personality in the mind. And right now you said, being the President of the nation, Mr. Kalam, he was an standing example how President should work. That personality also I'm going to keep in the mind. For your information, I tell you, I never made any request to anybody. I had to be the governor of the Meghalaya. Just 3 days back, Prime Minister telephoned me. Morning by 8:30. I shocked. What is the message to me from the Prime Minister office? Then I picked the call. Then Prime Minister told me, Vijayashankar ji, आपको अच्छी काम हम दे रहे हैं. शाम तक अच्छी खबर मिलेगा. इतना ही बता दिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर, इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं बताया. मेरा अवरत से मैंने बताया, अरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, क्या विशेषता है. शाम तक मेरे को जानकारी मिला, मैं गवर्नर बनने जा रहा हूँ. कौन सा स्टेट है मुझे पता नहीं है. रात 12 बजे मुझे पता मिला. आई एम गोइंग टू बी गवर्नर ऑफ द मेघालय. रियली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी because I love forest. I love nature. So accordingly, I had come here. I'm going to be with the people. I take you people into confidence. Always I'm open-minded. Let us work together for the development of the Meghalaya. For your information, I tell you, I also belong to backward, and I'm coming from the same community. Whichever community you address now, the same community I belong to the same community. Nothing to worry. I know the regional issue here. Long back, I had come to Meghalaya when I was in the standing committee on railways as a member of parliament. Twice I have been visited to Meghalaya. Many times I had come here, but officially I have never been an artist media. This is first time I am going to address here. Accordingly, I know the regional issues. All those issues we will keep in the mind. Let us try to do and give justice to them. Priority, development of the state. And many of the ministers in the union government, they are my colleagues, they are my friends. I take the local government, the local chief minister into confidence. Always we keep in touch with the union government. Let us see what best can be done to the Meghalaya. Money development, nothing more than that.
Thank you.